Name change requests, I recommend you do it. Doesn't mean you have to actually effectually do that. So, whenever we have a wife, usually wants, considering restoring her maiden name or not, I'll generally recommend that they do mark it on the settlement agreement slash judgment that they request restoration of their maiden name for a couple reasons. Excuse me. If number one is get it done now while you are doing the divorce. We put on there that the court orders your name restored to whatever your maiden name is, and you have that document in your hand. So if you want to do it right away, great, go ahead and restore your maiden name. You go to Social Security, DMV, passport. You have your court orders to change your name back, but you don't have to. You could do it 30 years later, but you have the document that allows you to do that. And so that's my recommendation of why you want to do it. Just because you've asked to have your name restored does not mean you actually have to ever do that. So just get it done, just request it. And if you never do it, that's fine. People think that because the way that's written, the court orders the name restored too, that you're ordered to go do it. No, it's ordered that's restored. You have to go out and actually have the paperwork changed, but you don't actually have to ever do that.